is a teacher, he's a bird. Well, he tiptoed up the region, what a bird. Now he's a teacher's pet now, he's a dog. And what he wants he can get now, what a dog. He even has a teacher, don't let him sit next to him, baby, he's a bird dog. Johnny is a joker, what a bird, a very funny joker. And everybody's talking about the bird, but when he jokes my honey, his joking ain't so funny. Johnny is a joker who is trying to steal my baby, he's a bird dog. Hey bird dog, get away from the quail. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my baby dog alone. Hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chicken little home. He's a bird and a low down dog. What a dog. In a little cafe just the side of the border, lovely dancer Juanita gave me looks that made my mouth water. I heard the guitar player say she belonged to the Batman Crusade, and I knew, yes I knew I should run when I heard her say to me, come a little bit closer, you're my kind of man. Come a little bit closer, so big and so strong. I'm all alone, and the night is so long. Dios mío, I got up. When the music stopped and I looked, the cafe was empty. Jose looked at me and he said, man, you're in trouble plenty. I could see a gun in his hand, so out through the window I ran. And as I ran away I could hear her say to Jose, come a little bit closer, you're my kind of man. Come a little bit closer, so big and so strong. I'm all alone and the night is so long. Dios mío.